The centripetal force required by a satellite to move in a circular orbit is provided by the answer is option B, gravitational force. Which one of the following minimizes friction? Answer is option D, use of wheels between surfaces. What is full form of ELISA? Answer is option C, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. What does ECG stand for? Answer is option B, electrocardiogram. Vaccination against smallpox includes. Answer is option D, leaf antibodies. Which of the following vitamins helps to keep our skin and eyes healthy? Answer is option A, vitamin A. During short circuiting, the current flowing in the electrical circuit. Answer is option D, increases instantaneously. Which of the following is known as the maximum value of the static friction? Answer is option B, limiting friction. According to Malthus, the population of a country grows. Answer is option D, geometrically. Darling Range is situated along which of the following coast of Australia? Answer is option D, southwestern coast. R.N. Malhotra committee is associated with. Answer is option C, insurance sector. The Maithan Dam is located in which state? Answer is option B, Jharkhand. Who amongst them is known as the father of the nation in Bangladesh? Answer is option D, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Pommel horse, Roman rings, vaulting table are few terms which are related to blank. Answer is option A, gymnastic. Which of the following enzymes is not involved in DNA replication? Answer is option C, lipase. Which of the following elements is found in all organic compounds? Answer is option C, carbon. Which of the following metals has the highest electrical and thermal conductivity? Answer is option A, silver. The element required for solar energy conversion is. Answer is option D, silicon. In which type of chemical reaction the valency of the element increases? Answer is option D, oxidation reaction. In which state is Lonavala Hill Station located? Answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which among the following is the largest tea growing country? Answer is option D, China. For the enforcement of the fundamental rights, the Supreme Court and High Court have the power to issue directions, orders or blank. Answer is option A, writs. The mutual funds industry in India is regulated by which of the following organizations? Answer is option C, SEBI and RBI. The process of cell division by which most cells in the body divide for growth is called blank. Answer is option A, mitosis. Chiasmata are first seen in. Answer is option C, diplotin. DNA replicates itself during which of the following phase of cell cycle? Answer is option A, S phase. Which one of the following best explains the role of G1 phase during the cell cycle? Answer is option B, cell grows and carries out normal metabolism. In which stage of meiosis do chromosomes appear to have 4 strands? Answer is option C, Pachytene. In which stage of meiosis does synapsis take place? Answer is option D, zygotine. In which one of the following is friction disadvantageous? Answer is option B, moving parts of a machine. The process of converting gas into liquid on cooling is called blank. Answer is option C, condensation. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with continuance of the rights of citizenship? Answer is option A, Article 10. Jama Masjid was built in blank AD. Answer is option D, 1656. The hair of shaving brush clings together when removed from water due to. Answer is option D, surface tension. The percentage of carbon in bituminous coal is of the order of. Answer is option B, 60 to 85%. Before playing the orchestra in a musical concert, a sitarist tries to adjust the tension and pluck the string suitably. By doing so, he is adjusting. Answer is option C, frequency of the sitar string with the frequency of other musical instruments. The longest stage of mitosis is. Answer is option A, prophase. The process of mitosis was discovered by blank. Answer is option D, Walther Fleming. Which fort is also known as Gadhvitali? Answer is option C, Taragarh Fort, Ajmer. Which fort is known as Suvarnagiri or Sonagir? Answer is option C, Fort of Jalore. The sexual reproductive part of the plant are blank. Answer is option B, flowers. In which year was beefsteak formed? Answer is option D, 1997. Friends, full form of beefsteak is Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Which of the following motif is present on 2000 rupee note of Indian currency? Answer is option C, Mangalyaan. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis? Answer is option D, oxygen. Which of the following gas is produced by the anaerobic fermentation of biomass? Answer is option B, biogas. The World Heritage Site Pashupatinath Temple is located at. Answer is option C, Kathmandu. Normal temperature of human body is. Answer is option C, both A and B, that are 98.6 degree Fahrenheit and 37 degrees Celsius. The song Vande Mataram was included in which famous novel of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay? Answer is option B, Anand Math. Famous Hazara temple of Vijayanagar was built during the reign of. Answer is option A, Krishnadev Rai. Which of the following branch of botany deals with development of improved plant varieties? Answer is option D, plant breeding.